In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SOPs with Grok AI, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. That's the homepage for Grok AI, where you'll do all the work. Give the page a moment to load so the chat interface initializes properly. Next, consider logging in. It's not strictly required, but I recommend it because it helps you save your progress and revisit your drafts later. If you already have an account, a quick sign-in will do. If not, you can proceed without it and still follow along. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat area front and center. This is where you'll have a conversation with the model to build your SOP. Think of it like an assistant that can structure your ideas into a clean, actionable document. Look near the bottom of the chat bar, and you may see a deep search option. This is optional, but turning it on can help Grok gather more context and deliver more comprehensive results. If you're creating an SOP for a complex workflow or a regulated process, deep search can add useful depth. You'll also notice options like auto, fast, and expert for the chat mode. Use auto if you're not sure what you need. It balances speed and detail. Choose fast when you want quick drafts to iterate on. Pick expert when you need more thorough, structured responses that emphasize clarity and rigor. You can switch modes anytime if the tone or depth isn't quite right. Now, let's create an SOP. In the chat, clearly tell Grok what you want. State the process name, who the SOP is for, the objective, any prerequisites or required tools, and the exact steps you want covered. You can also mention roles and responsibilities, quality checks, safety notes, and definitions or acronyms to avoid confusion. The more context you provide, the more accurate your first draft will be. If you already use a company template, paste its headings so Grok formats the SOP to match. After you send your prompt, Grok will generate your SOP. Review what comes back with a critical eye. If anything is vague, ask Grok to expand specific steps, add acceptance criteria, include decision points, or provide troubleshooting tips. You can request version numbers, effective dates, revision histories, and a concise summary at the top for quick reference. If something feels too long, ask for a streamlined version. If it's too brief, ask for more detail. Keep refining until the SOP is unambiguous, actionable, and easy for your team to follow. And that's it. You've used Grok AI to produce a clear, professional SOP, ready for review and adoption across your organization.